Dude, I got a beast. Oh, it's a hybrid, just like I thought. Oh, big one, another big one. Look at this freaking thing. One of the things that drew me to this little secret gravel pit that we have river access to is these water discharge pipes, man. All the current it generates, those hybrids love current, man. Day 2 has officially begun. We decided to hit this little inlet, this little gravel pit that connects to the river again after freaking slaying them yesterday, man. We caught so many fish, including that massive freaking bass. We're gonna go out here, fish around this whole thing, come back, pack up, then head down the river. At the boat. Oh, he got off. Big old Sauger at the boat, man. That was cool. Dang it. Got him. On the board this morning with a little saugeye. I just lost one at the boat that's about twice as big as this. I decided to hit up this area where the water comes out, and right away I'm starting to get bit. Let's let this guy go. That's pretty cool. Catching another saugeye. I bet they're stacked up right here, boys. I'm betting they're stacked up. I got 2 quick bites, man. I'm reeling it down about 3 or 4 foot at the most and just staggering the cadence. So I crank it a couple times faster, let it pause. And a lot of times they'll hit it on the drop. There's got to be some more up in this current, man. Boat again. Oh, I barely got him hooked. Dude, these things are tearing up the chatterbait, man. Holy crap. Holy crap. Let's get some bigger ones, man. I like catching these. I want a big one, like a 5-pounder. All right, I'm gonna throw it in the junk, man. Maybe get a big old hybrid or something, or a bigger walleye. Oh, big one. I knew he'd be right there in that current. Oh my gosh. This is a beast. Dude, I got a beast. Oh, it's a hybrid, just like I thought. I got a freaking hybrid. I called it. Oh, come on, baby. Freaking hybrid. Woo, let's go. Freaking hybrid. Oh my gosh. Let's go, guys. Woo. I just freaking caught a hybrid like I wanted to in the current, man. Let's check this thing out. Look at this freaking hybrid on the chatterbait, boys. Yes, sir. I got a hybrid, man. Woo! Woohoo! Right in that freaking current. Something tells me there's more. Damn it. Quick release, but that's all right, boys. I still got them. Still got a good selfie with them. Hell yeah, let's go get some more. I hope there's a couple more in here. And that freaking fish hit like a ton of bricks right in the current, man. I was just saying this stuff yesterday. One of the things that drew me to this little secret gravel pit that we have river access to is these water discharge pipes, man. All the current it generates, those hybrids love current, man. I got a feeling there's more of them in there, man. Oh my God. Oh, he got off. Oh, he got off, dude. That was a tank. That one was freaking bigger. Holy shoot, man. Oh, I knew there was more in here. That was probably a 5-pounder. Oh man. Let's get back in there. He'll hit it again. My drag freaking peeled as soon as I set the hook on that thing. Holy crap. Oh, big one, another big one. Oh, this guy's pulling drag. Oh boy, another big hybrid. I will. I don't know if he's bigger than the last one, but he's huge. It's a hybrid. They look just like stripers, but they're a cross between a white bass and a white bass and a striper. Dude, I just missed a big one, and this one came back and smashed it. Look at this freaking thing. God, dude. That's another one. The other one was bigger than this, dude. Look at this freaking thing. Let's freaking go, guys. This day is beautiful. Yeah. They're stacked up in this freaking little water discharge area, guys. Hell yeah. Beautiful freaking hybrid, man. It don't get no better than this, folks. The chatterbait catches everything. Everything. Let's let this guy go. This day is amazing. This trip is amazing. I'm speechless, guys. I hope y'all are enjoying this, and if this stuff doesn't get me a like and subscribe, I don't know, man. I don't know what else to do for y'all. Let's go get some more and hopefully get my buddy Rob on one. The plan came together, Rob. The plan came together. I saw these discharges on the maps and I'm like, there's got to be some hybrids in there. Man. Come up here and then kind of float your way down, maybe. It is a pain in the ass to stay positioned, though. See this current break right here too, Rob? They be stacked up there too. Oh yeah! What is this? Big old Sauger. Oh man. Another beautiful saugeye, man. Dude, he is right on this current break like I thought he would be. Dude, this day is freaking nuts. tearing up these freaking fish, boys. Let's let them go, man. This is one of the best spots, probably the best spot I've ever been to, man. I'm going to remember this come fall time. We'll come back here for some food, man. Got him. He gave up fast. Oh no, he's pissed now. Tearing these saugeye up, man. Non-stop action. Not gonna lie, guys, this is the sketchiest part of the trip. I'm not looking forward to it. There's really fast current coming out of this gravel pit. Whole bunch of trees dead in the middle of the water. Current is rushing up on one side. This should be interesting. Well, guys, I'm gonna say sorry for all the wind noise, because it is windy as hell out here, guys. We got 20-25 mile per hour winds, gusts up to 30-35, and it is making it quite the chore to paddle back. Even though the current is taking us south, this wind is blowing north hard enough to keep us going in the opposite direction of the current. So we got a clip to go, man. We got four miles or so I don't think there's going to be very much fishing left. If there isn't, that means this is the outro of the video. So we killed it on the river, and especially in the secret gravel pit, man. I caught the biggest smallmouth of the year, probably 18-19 inches, Fish, Ohio, unconfirmed. And then I caught a ton of saugeye, man, and Sauger too, I believe. If not, let me know in the comments below. But I tore those up, and then I got into some freaking hybrids, man. Nice hybrids, probably 3 pounds or something like that. But the best catch, one of the best catches to top everything off, is that big old largemouth bass, boys. All my fish came on the chatterbait, with the exception of a handful of dinks that I caught on the buzzbait at nighttime. I might actually end up cutting several of the fish out, because a lot of them were just like normal saugeyes, like this big, 12 inches, 13 inches. And then I caught some bass about that. But I'm going to keep the highlight reel going, guys, and make this video as epic as I can for you guys. I appreciate you guys watching. If you do like this video, let me know in the comments below. Also, hit the thumbs up. If you got buddies, pals, friends that are interested in river fishing like I'm doing, share this video with them, man. I'm always down for new subscribers and all that stuff. I'm really trying to help this channel grow. The goal is 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. Help me do that, guys. I appreciate you watching. Until next time, peace.